G'day guys, yeah, today we are going to have a barbecue at Alexandra Avenue Barbecues near the Yarra River, not far from Flinders Street Station. I'm just in a DD right now. I've got all my barbecue supplies and I am on my way. Should be a good day. Got a bit of good weather, so we'll see how we go. Just driving through the CBD, guys. Got a view of the MCG there in the distance. Not far from the barbecues. You can see here we've got the Australian Open signs. Melbourne Park just over there. Got the Australian Open happening right now. Djokovic is competing. He's my tip. The Yarra River over there. Many people going for boat rides. Yeah, so we're just down here at the Alexandra barbecue area here, guys. There's about 5 barbecues or so. I've just got one here, got my stuff next to it here on the Yarra River. Now, potentially, I just looked at the weather report. There will be some light showers today, so hopefully that doesn't turn off my barbecue friends. But there's not a lot of shelter here, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. Hopefully it works out. Got some people boating here on the river. They're having a good time. Absolutely loving the Melbourne Yarra River. Something must have been very funny. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, enjoy your ride. Hey guys, I'm here. Yeah guys, so got here a little bit early to the barbie. Got a little bit peckish, so gonna eat some blueberry muffins and wait till the rest of the crew gets here. Just eating some delicious blueberries, guys. Breakfast of champions. Alright guys, so bit of bad news. It's about half an hour into the barbecue and nobody's rocked up, but I think the showers are turning people away a bit, but we're not going to worry about that. We're going to do what any self-respecting red-blooded Benny would do and make myself a drink. Okay, so what we got down here? So I brought the American honey, endorsed by Matthew McConaughey. Some ginger beer here, and ice. let's just let's fire something up here. Hey, how's it going? Welcome, welcome. You made it. Hello. Welcome, welcome. You're my first guest. You're my first guest. First person. You're. I haven't started cooking yet. How are you? Good. Welcome. Welcome. Thanks for coming. Appreciate it. Thanks for coming. Appreciate it. Welcome. Welcome. Yes, I'm just making a drink. Would you like one? Okay. There's muffins and blueberries there if you want some.
My friend, no?
Your friend, I don't know. One of your friends said I'm not coming, and another friend is maybe. I think.
Maybe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am making YouTube video. Oh no, that's okay. I'll make a drink. Yeah.
No?
Mm-mm.
No beer?
Sorry.
No beer?
No. I'm making a drink here. Yeah. Making a drink. Yeah.
It's like, what?
American honey bourbon. Yeah. Good, huh? Yeah. Okay. What am I doing here?
Okay.
Do you want some of this or not? No. Okay.
Together? Only together?
Sorry. What's your question? No one else comes. No one else comes. I don't know. I don't know.
I don't know.
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe people will not come.
Do friends?
So I don't know. Maybe they will come. Maybe not. Some people don't like rain.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. But help.
Drink here?
Yeah.
No.
Sure. Yeah. It's a can, so you can drink. Cans are fine.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. We're gonna make some
They working?
American honey. We're gonna put that in there.
They working?
We'll put that in there. And yeah, we might go 2.5 shots. That'll do. 3 shots. Pretty strong. Pretty strong. Okay. You need to make some strong shots when your friends don't come, you know. Very important. How are you? How's everything going? Shit, I need to crack this open.
Cook them.
Yeah.
Cook them?
Thank you. Yeah, cocktail. We're making a cocktail. Cocktail. Called an American honey storm. A very shit one, but we're gonna do our best. We're gonna put a fair bit of ginger beer in here. That's good, I think. All right, we'll shake it up. Shake. Oh no. Fuck me. Yeah, I gotta get this one right. Yeah, hopefully people come, you know. Hopefully some people come. You know, it's good to have people. That might do. I probably shouldn't have put the ginger beer in there. I think this will do. Alright. Yeah. Put that in there.
Music?
Yeah, let's get some music going.
Do you like music?
Love music. Love all music. Latin music.
Latin?
Yeah, Latin
Yeah?
music. Absolutely.
No, el de salsa, bachata o vallenato.
I love everything. You choose. You choose.
Okay.
Yeah.
Salsa.
Salsa. Yeah. Alright, we'll see how that goes. Yeah, perfecto. Yeah, thanks for coming. Appreciate it. Thanks for coming. Appreciate it. Guys, you can see here there's a boat going by. They're really enjoying the festivities here. Having a gourmet lunch right there at the top there. A lot of people enjoying the Yarra. What is it? A seasoned seaweed snack with olive oil. Can you describe what this is? What is it?
What is that?
Yeah, what is it?
What is that? The algas marinas.
Oh. And okay, so this is a snack you have a lot?
And
Yeah.
de China.
Oh, okay, very good. Very nice. To China.
De China.
Ah, okay.
China or China?
We say China. Yeah, we say.
De China?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hay chicken y beef de pork.
What did you bring? What food did we bring to the barbecue?
Lasagne.
Oh, salt. Thank you so much.
Yes.
I forgot to bring salt.
I know olive, no.
Butter. Yep. Nice.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Y pork. Y fresas y tomato.
Tomato strawberries.
Tomato.
You brought so much. Yeah, tomato. We say tomato. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that is so helpful.
Did
You are saving the day today.
you?
Saving the day.
Bueno.
Very helpful. Yeah, no work for me. I have time off right now. Yeah. So what is it? Okay, let's try some of this stuff then. Ready?
What is?
It's okay. Yeah. Tastes like seaweed. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad.
No bad.
It's not bad, guys. Delicioso. Mm. Cheers. Cheers. What enough? Yeah.
He's in here.
Yeah.
Hello. Nice. Ay, no ve que venía el bus y pues puta me tengo que pegar. Sí, estoy aquí nomás. Tierra es aquí allá.
Yeah, it's close to Flinders Street.
¿Cómo es que es acá? ¿Ese es el estadio? Mira.
It's near Melbourne Park, near the tennis.
Neighbor Park.
The other side of the
Hijo, me
river
gusta
to
de
Melbourne
aquí,
Park.
Melbourne.
Yeah, guys. So
No.
I've invited a bunch of my friends. A lot of them South American friends from a language exchange bar I go to. I think because of the rain, we're getting a lot of resistance. They're not wanting to come, but hopefully a few of them will come and soldier on. I'm enjoying my American honey storm cocktail. It's got ice, it's got mint, it's got ginger beer, and of course American honey. But I have one friend here, so the day is a success in my eyes.
My friend here. Yes,
Oh, your friend's here?
my friend come here.
Oh, good. Good.
Good? Okay, good.
Bueno.
Qué bueno.
Sí.
Bueno, chao. Vamos a aprender
Sorry.
drill,
Drink.
astray, barbecue, or
Start.
no?
Should we start the barbecue? Are you asking? Should we start the barbecue?
Right?
So, I think we wait for people to get here, then start the barbecue. So people get here, then cook.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. If nobody here, then
No cook? No cook?
uh-uh.
You?
I cook when people get here.
Ah, okay.
Do you understand?
No.
So
En España.
muchas personas
Muchas personas.
en barbecue then yo comido.
Ah, okay.
You need people. We need people to cook. I'm not going to cook for no one. No cook for solo.
Ah, okay. No va a cocinar solo.
When
No
people get here, I cook. Yeah.
Much people.
Yes.
Food.
If people come, I will cook. If no one comes, no cook.
Today no cook.
If I will cook, yes. If people come here, if people come.
Pero people no can.
We're struggling.
¿Viene más gente?
Huh?
¿Viene más gente?
Uh,
¿Viene
Gente.
más
Nice.
gente?
Gente. What is gente?
Gente.
Gente.
Personas.
Personas. So I think if two more people come, I will cook.
Ah, okay. You friends?
I don't know. So I don't know if my friends will come or won't come. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. Maybe yes, maybe no. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if my friends will come. Some say yes, some say no, some say maybe. Some say it is raining.
Okay. The Spanish,
To trabajar in Melbourne?
yes, Preston.
Preston. Oh, you're working in Preston.
En Bunis.
Bunnings.
Bunnings.
You work in Bunnings at Preston.
Tiene.
Oh, good. Bueno. Yo vivo en Preston. Sí.
Oh, es near the city, no far, no?
Yeah, maybe five suburbs. Train.
Train,
25 minutes.
25, no.
Yes.
No far.
Not far.
So.
Circa. Circa.
Good. It's okay.
Close. Yeah.
Preston, good life? Or...
Preston is good. Yeah, me gusta Preston.
¿Sí? ¿Te gusta Preston?
Preston Market is good. Preston Market.
Ah, no. En el Bunis de Preston. ¿Conoces el Bunis de Preston? ¿Has ido?
Bunnings, Preston.
You? Preston? No. ¿Bunis o no?
I've been there. Yes,
Oh.
I have been to Preston Bunnings. Yes,
Ah, okay.
a good store. Oh
Good,
yeah.
good.
This is yours, Peter? Yours? Oh, so good.
Oh, good.
Where did you buy this? Where did you get this?
What's this?
Where did you get the scooter?
Yes.
Buy. Comprar.
Ah, comprar. Here, the store de australianos.
Okay.
Far. I don't know, pero far, 3 horas. Far.
It looks very good. It looks like a good scooter.
Es good,
Yeah.
no, es práctico.
Practical, yeah. I thought I would wave to those people, but because I thought they were waving at me, but they weren't.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Well, I think, guys, I'm going to get very, very drunk on this showery barbecue Melbourne day. Double shot. I think we have similar taste in music, no? Music, good.
Good. Pink.
Pink, oh yeah. Pink,
Some favorite.
Pink is very popular in Australia.
Yes.
Yeah, Pink has, when she does concerts here, very popular.
Very
Pink.
popular.
Yeah, everyone loves Pink in Australia. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, YouTuber.
¿Quieres?
Yeah. Bueno.
Bueno, ¿no quieres ir a Colombia?
You're very, very fresh guy. Repito?
¿No quieres a fly a Colombia otra vez?
I've never been to Colombia. No, never been.
No.
Yo quiero ir a Colombia. I want to go to Colombia.
¿Yes?
See?
¿Cuándo?
When? I think maybe 2020, 2025 maybe. When I have some more, my life more organized. Yeah, maybe 2025, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. But I will not just see Colombia, I'll see all of South America. And probably United States as well. How do you say United States? Estados.
Estados Unidos ha sido
Estados
Unidos.
Unidos. Unidos.
Unidos. En español, en inglés,
We say United States.
United States.
Yeah.
United States.
Some people say America, but it's very confusing because there's North America and South America, so everyone gets confused.
Completely different.
Yeah. But a lot of people just say Americans, but it's United States is United States. Yeah.
United States.
Yeah.
United States. Nueva York, United States, no?
Never been, but I want you.
No, so only Australia.
Only Australia. Only Australia. New Zealand, Southeast Asia, and Western Europe. But I want to go to more places. Yeah.
Y Nueva Zelanda.
Sorry.
Nueva Zelanda.
Repeat that.
Nueva Zelanda.
New Zealand.
New Zealand,
Yeah,
New
New
Zealand,
Zealand.
sorry.
Yeah. What do you say? Nueva Zelanda.
Yes, en Spanish.
Nuevas is new. Yeah, yeah.
Y en inglés
Yeah.
es New Zealand.
Ah,
New Zealand.
yeah. Repeat that.
En Spanish es Nueva Zelanda.
Nueva Zelanda.
En Spanish. Y en inglés,
New Zealand.
New Zealand.
New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
If I want you to repeat what you're saying, do I say repito? What if I want you to repeat? Do I say repito?
Repeat.
Or I can just say repeat. What's repeat in Spanish?
En Spanish repetir.
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 To repeat.
To repeat.
If I want you to repeat yourself, what do I say? So if you're like, please repeat. So please repeat. What would I say in Spanish?
Repetir.
Repetir.
Sí, digamos, tú llegas y no entiendes.
What's repito?
Repetir.
What?
Repetir.
Repetir. What is repito?
Repito todo.
Repito.
Repito.
What's the difference between repito and repetir?
Repetir, yes. Cuando llegas y te digo, repetir es cuando no entiendes, no, no understand,
Okay, so
no understand.
repetir translates to can you repeat?
Can you, yes,
It does.
can you, please repeat.
Repetir.
Sí.
Okay, what does repetito translate to? What does that translate? Repetir.
Repetir.
No. So forget about that.
En español no.
Repito. What does that translate to? Is that a Spanish word?
Repetir.
Repito.
Repito.
Yes. What is that?
Where is?
What does that mean?
Where is?
I'm going to look it up. Look it up on your phone. Yeah.
Repetir en.
Put this back up here.
Ay, va a llover.
All right, we are on YouTube.
¿Va a grabar?
What's going on here? All right. Yeah, you like everything. You like everything about Australia, the people, the places. Yeah, everything.
Me gusta de Australia, en español o en inglés.
Either.
¿Ha ido?
Yeah. Either.
¿Cualquiera?
Either is like what both means both. Yeah.
¿Ido?
Both is like everything. Me, you, everything. Both.
Ah, ok. Place, very beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful, hermoso.
Melbourne is beautiful.
Yes,
Really?
hermoso.
But cities in Colombia, muchos bonitas.
Melbourne is Melbourne beautiful more que Colombia.
Okay.
City, so. Australia, good life. I know good family. Only no family.
See.
Need family.
Sorry, I get distracted by people running by. No family here in Australia, but your family's back in Colombia, you missed them, etc. Yeah. Hello. Hi. More drink.
Drink. Do family.
Bingo, bango.
Mi brother.
Mi hermano vive en Cairns, Northern Australia. Cairns. Yeah, guys, so a bit of bad news. It started to rain really heavy now. Out here, raining super heavy, and look, I'll be honest, nobody's come. You know, I've invited 20 people, nobody's came. I get it because it's raining pretty bad, except for Danny, of course. Yeah, no, I get it, mate. I get it. This is the second time this has happened to me in 1 month, actually. But the city of Melbourne can get pretty annoying, raining a lot and ruining occasions, but that's the way it goes. We're gonna soldier on and do our best. Yep, saying goodbye to Yarra, saying goodbye to the barbecue area, and of course wasted food, but we can save it for later. Ladies and gentlemen, it's how to have a shit barbecue. Ladies and gentlemen, it's how to have a shit barbecue. Ladies and gentlemen, it's how to have a shit barbecue. These people don't know what to do. This swan is out for them. It's out for them and it's taken no prisoners. We call them black swans and they're aggressive. They attacked that boat. I wish I got it on footage. These people don't know what to do.